How to unmute all participants permanently on Zoom. So first of all, you need to log into your Zoom account and click on new meeting. Click on start a meeting. Once the meeting is open, you need to click on participants. Click on mute all. After that, at the bottom you can see allow participants to unmute themselves. Uncheck this option and that's it. It will work perfectly fine for you, and now nobody can unmute themselves, and you can easily conduct a meeting without any disturbance. I hope you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.